hard curling up.
Camera and a video.
Say Happy Mother's Day. And he's with Daddy. Hi, Bennett. Honey, hold on to his head.
He's going to be blind for a while.
Say Mama loves me is what my shirt says.
I can't believe how much hair he's lost.
I know.
Yes, and then he used to have hair right here.
He used to have hair all the way down.
Yeah, we said
Got a receding hairline.
He had that little skinny thing. He wants to
Honey, hold on to him.
in a different color. You need to shave
Say
his
hi.
head. He's got the
Leave
red
him
head.
alone. Look at his big fat belly.
The baby's got your hairdo.
Say hi, Daddy. Say Happy Mother's Day to me.
He's really looking around good.
He doesn't have... Honey, I'm videoing. You can't just walk away.
He's ripping.
He's what?
He just blew up.
Well, just let... He's okay. He has Desitin on his...
Fart.
Oh, we got the hiccups.